Okay, so we're going to look at two special cases of triangles here. There are a few more, but this kind of gives you a general idea of the variation of questions that you might get. So you can either get straightforward questions like the ones that we've just looked at, angle, side, side, or side, side, side. In this example, you can obviously see we've only been given one length. Now there's something you might spot from the triangle straight away that will give you a bit of a hint as to what can help us construct it. And if you spotted it already, well done. If you haven't, you might have noted, you might see here that we've got these dashes, and those dashes mean that all of the lengths are the same, which means that this is an equilateral triangle. And then from that, we can see that this is going to be 60, this is going to be 60, and this is also going to be 60. But also, because it's equilateral, this length is going to be 6, this length is going to be 6. So we've got all of the information now, actually, just from the diagram. And we're just going to construct it. So I'm going to take a moment to construct it. First thing we're going to do is draw the base length, which is 6 centimeters. This has now become any of the three types of triangles that we looked at before. That was done terribly. I'm going to do that one again. So a 6 centimeter base length. And we can see that we've got a 60-degree angle. So I could basically choose between angle, side, 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 angle, side. Either method is fine. So I'm going to decide to use a compass just for fun, just for giggles. I'm going to measure this as 6 centimeters, which is the same length as the side of the other two sides. And then I can see this is also going to be 6 centimeters. I think I'm going to just use the compass just because I think it looks a bit nicer. You can really see the construction lines there. And then we just connect these up. So I'll use a different color just to highlight what I'm doing here. So we're going to connect that point with that, and then these 2 points as well. And you can see we've got an equilateral triangle. Next thing we do is make sure we label all the sides. It's very important we do that. So 6, 6, and then we've got the angles 60, 60, and 60. And there's your construction.